Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this mesh office chair, this fantastic mesh office chair. It's really, really comfortable. Another thing about this chair is that the assembly process, it is super simple. Everything comes explained right here, and it's going to take you about, I think it took me like between 15 and 20 minutes with power tools. Super easy to assemble. You want to know something else about this chair? It supports 400 pounds. So based on the size of this chair, I think that's a really good amount of weight limit. And then it has mesh, like elastic breathable mesh everywhere, and a few features that let's actually take a closer look and let me show you. So a couple of features about this chair. This one over here, you can adjust and you can tilt. So that's actually really good for tall people. I think this chair is good for people up to, I want to say 6.3 feet tall. I'm 5'10" and I weigh 190 pounds, and this one fits perfectly to me. So I think it's going to be better for tall people as well. Really nice breathable and elastic mesh, and more firm mesh over here to withstand those 400 pounds. The armrests, let me show you in a few seconds. These are padded, really well padded, but also take a look at this. So you can actually put them down. You can put them taller position, backwards, frontwards, inside and outside. So this one is a really good chair for gamers as well. The best thing about this chair is gonna be right here. The lumbar support, you can actually adjust it and you can push it up to front like a lot, I want to say, to have that really nice 90 degrees seating position. But let me show you something else about this chair. Of course, like every other chair, you can modify the height, just a tiny bit right there. But then it comes right here, you're going to find a dedicated footrest, which I think it is really good just to have it by itself. But then let me show you just like this. I'm going to unlock it and have this really nice kind of like rocking recliner feature, which I think it is fantastic. It is super comfy with the lumbar support, and the headrest over here makes it to be a really nice rocking feature. It's kind of like a recliner rocking, both of those. I like it. And of course, with the 4D armrest over there, that's gonna be really nice to have. Locking it back again, put it this one up to the chair, right there under the chair, not up to the chair. And this one could be the perfect chair for your home office experience. I like it. I give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.